Peanut butter, as we know it today, was invented in 1890 by an American doctor who used it as a protein substitute for people with such bad teeth that they couldn't chew meat. Yummy. The best peanuts for making peanut butter are runner peanuts because their uniform shape allows them to roast evenly, and they are very satisfying to dig your hands into. It takes around 1,100 nuts to produce a single jar of peanut butter. That's about as many as someone like your mother has eaten in the past year. The peanuts travel through a hot air roaster. Heating up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the machine shakes up and down ever so slightly due to a malfunction. On the bright side, this flaw actually helps the peanuts roast more evenly. Next, the peanuts are transferred to an even more broken machine to be quickly cooled to room temperature. This is achieved by letting the hotter peanuts fall through holes in the machine and onto the floor, so only the coldest ones move on to processing. Cold peanuts retain more peanut grease, which enhances the peanut butter's flavor. Here are 3 large barrels of peanut skins in case anyone has never seen what that looks like. A machine called the blancher removes the skins and peanut hearts, which often have a bitter taste. This also ensures that any peanuts still alive before this process are now completely dead. Their delicious corpses comically tumble down to the next station. Here's a barrel of peanut hearts, just in case you needed to satisfy your sick curiosity. The peanuts then drop into a giant steel container called the safety hole. It's called the safety hole because when the peanuts are forced into the grinder by the twisting mechanism below, they are caught off guard, giving them no opportunity to escape. The peanuts are then ground into a paste, which, as you can see, happens almost instantly. At this stage, additional ingredients are added: dried peas, powdered nuts, and frozen butter. Once the peanut butter has cooled, it's ready to be packaged into jars. Peanut butter jars are grouped in pairs of 2 since most households buy 2 jars at a time, 1 for each spouse. Next, unless you're blind, you're probably smart enough to figure out what's happening here. I mean, I'm not expecting all of the audience to be geniuses, but you'd have to be pretty dang stupid to miss this. Go ahead, take a guess. I'm serious, say it out loud. Oh, what's that? The jars are being filled with peanut butter. Oh, wow, congratulations. You got it absolutely right. And finally, for your viewing pleasure, behold, the classic magically sealing peanut butter trick.